today we're driving a 1250. One of the, probably the largest excavator you'll see in Perth, the city. It's a big baby. Another big thank you to WA Limestone, the team, for giving me all the machines for today. It's like having it's like being in a play yard. Now we load trucks. This is an excellent machine. You very rarely see these in Perth. So let's see how many scoops they take to fill up a 40-ton truck. Well, that was an over big one. I got a bigger scoop next time. Alright, let's go for a big one. There we go now. Quite big scoop. I have to admit, the power in this machine is unbelievable. It's literally, it has lifted the dirt out of it. Three scoops. Let's see if we can get over 4 scoops. There we have it, 4 scoops. So roughly it holds 10 ton per bucket. And you'll see yourself in this machine, it's no different than operating any other machine. It's literally the same as driving a 5-ton excavator as a 125 ton. All the levers are the same, everything's the same, the foot pedals are the same. So yeah, if you get a chance to drive one, just take it, because it's well worth the opportunity.